Alright, what's up? We're back at the Maverick. Today we're going to be tinting our taillights. We got the classic night shades and a special guest to help us do it all the way from Maryland.
Yes, sir.
So we're just going to need a drill, the shit, the cloth, some alcohol, paper towels, you know, the shit. And it's just these two bolts right here. So you're going to undo these. Yeah. One. Two. Then you gotta get the wiggling. Alright. And it pulls out at like comes out like at an angle like this. Because you can see these are the pegs. Comes out like this. Then there's this fucking jump. Somehow, like that. We have a tail light. This thing is light. So here's one tail light. It does not look that big when it's out here, does it? No, not much to it.
It's easy.
Nah, you're lucky. I might have missed it.
Damn. Easy.
Alright, so we're going to take them inside, clean them up, tape the edges, find a place to paint these. Alright, we got to lay it on this table, so we're going to hit it with some alcohol and a microfiber. They're not that dirty, so it shouldn't be too bad, but just want to make sure we're doing this the right way for once, which we usually don't do. Makes it summer. A little bit of dirt on there. So, you got some clean things. What's this say? We're gonna test this on something first. I might just do a light coat. It's like a liquid. That's what everybody says. You done this?
I ain't done this. First time.
The good thing is you can remove this with some brake cleaner if you fuck it up. This job, what we got?
I think that looks better already. Job done?
Alright, so first coat, put down super thin because it's like a water. We don't want any runs. It's just extra work. We're gonna wait, whatever, come back, probably like 10 minutes.
What's the can say? That looks good.
Can says.
Can don't say.
Can don't say. So I'm gonna wait like 10 minutes, come back, hit him with another coat probably. Already looking.
That looks good.
Already looking pretty good.
That looks pretty good. You show?
I don't think I can see it, but.
I guess we probably should have painted one.
We're back. It's been like 10-15 minutes, so we're gonna go ahead and put a second coat on these, and then we should be good. We're not trying to make them blacked out. Alright, so we're going to let these dry in here probably overnight, and then we'll come back in the morning, put them on, see what they look like. Alright, so it's the next day. We got our lights. They're dry. They're looking pretty good. Not too dark, but you know, pretty good. So we're gonna throw these back on. So, opposite of the way it came off, you got your plug. Click. Line these up with the holes.
And that's it.
Those bodies are going in.
Did you feel it click?
Yeah. He said fuck it though.
Torx. What's the torque spec on this?
Like cranked. Just like that.
I mean, out here it kind of looks.
They're not very dark.
But at least the white you can tell on the reverse though.
The white, yeah.
Yeah.
Get in on this side, like right where I am. You can tell good.
You can throw some before and after pics. Oh,
You got to. That's the before. It's kind of
oh brother.
Yeah, it's not bright.
Alright, well that's how to smoke the taillights. If you want to do it darker, you just have to add more coats. The lighter, less coats. Just be careful with it. It's like a liquid, so do pretty light coats because it's easier to add more than take it off.
Mint.
Easy.
Yeah.
4 screws and spray some shit down. We're still not at 700 subscribers, so the giveaway on the last video is still going on. So put a card up here. Go check that out. We're giving away some Lastfit switchback LEDs. Go to refinetruck.com. Sponsor today's video, us. If you want some Ford Maverick accessories, but we'll be back with the next video someday.